There is a simple electrolyte mix you can make at home in 2 minutes that could dramatically boost your energy levels after 60. Most people over 60 are chronically dehydrated without even knowing it, and that dehydration is causing fatigue, brain fog, and muscle cramps daily. The sports drinks you see at stores are loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients. They are designed for 20-year-old athletes, not you. By the end of this video, you will know the exact recipe, the ingredients, the amounts, and the science behind why this works. But first, let me explain why dehydration is such a hidden epidemic in people over 60. This problem is more serious than you realize. As you age, your thirst mechanism weakens significantly. Your brain literally stops sending strong thirst signals. You do not feel thirsty even when dehydrated. Research shows adults over 65 have significantly reduced thirst perception. By the time you feel thirsty, you are already significantly dehydrated inside. Your kidneys also become less efficient at retaining water. They let more water escape through urine, so you lose fluids faster while drinking less. Many medications common after 60 make dehydration worse. Blood pressure medications, diuretics, some heart medications. These all increase fluid loss from your body. Studies show up to 40% of older adults are chronically dehydrated. 40%. And most do not know it because they feel fine. If this kind of practical health information matters to you, hit subscribe right now. I make videos like this every single week here. Now here is the critical thing. Drinking plain water alone often is not enough to fix dehydration, and this surprises almost everyone I tell. Your cells need electrolytes to absorb water properly. Without the right balance of electrolytes, water passes through your body without being absorbed into cells. Think of electrolytes as keys that unlock your cell doors. Water is standing outside, knocking, but without electrolytes the doors stay closed tightly. That is why some people drink 8 glasses of water daily and still feel dehydrated. Electrolytes fix this absorption problem at the cellular level. Let me explain what electrolytes actually are. They are minerals that carry electrical charge: sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. They conduct electrical signals. Sodium regulates fluid balance and blood pressure. Without enough sodium, your muscles cramp. You feel dizzy, confused, and extremely fatigued all day long. Potassium works alongside sodium to regulate fluid balance and heart rhythm. Low potassium causes weakness, irregular heartbeat, and severe fatigue in your muscles. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions. It supports muscle function, nerve function, and energy production. Most people are deficient in magnesium. Research shows approximately 50% of adults over 60 are deficient in magnesium. This single deficiency causes fatigue, muscle cramps, poor sleep, and anxiety. When these electrolytes are out of balance, everything suffers. Energy crashes, brain fog sets in, muscles cramp, heart rhythm fluctuates, sleep quality drops. Now, if someone you love over 60 complains about constant fatigue, share this video with them right now. Electrolyte imbalance could be the cause. All right, let me give you the exact homemade electrolyte recipe. This is simple, cheap, effective, and contains no artificial ingredients or excessive sugar. You need 5 ingredients, all available at any grocery store. Most you probably already have in your kitchen. Total cost is pennies per serving. Ingredient 1. Water. 16 ounces of clean filtered water. Room temperature or slightly warm water mixes better with the minerals than cold water. Ingredient 2. Sea salt or Himalayan pink salt. 1/4 teaspoon. This provides sodium. Use real mineral-rich salt, not processed table salt. Regular table salt contains only sodium chloride. Sea salt contains trace minerals in addition to sodium. These extra minerals support electrolyte balance better. Ingredient 3. Cream of tartar. 1/4 teaspoon. This provides potassium. Cream of tartar is potassium bitartrate, available in spice aisle of grocery stores. 1/4 teaspoon provides about 150 milligrams of potassium, a meaningful amount toward your daily needs without needing expensive potassium supplements. Ingredient 4. Magnesium powder. 1/4 teaspoon. Use magnesium citrate or glycinate powder. Avoid oxide powder as it absorbs poorly in the body. Ingredient 5. Fresh lemon or lime juice. Juice from half a lemon. This adds flavor naturally, provides vitamin C, and adds some potassium too. Optional addition: 1 teaspoon of raw honey if you want sweetness. Raw honey contains trace minerals, far better than sugar or artificial sweeteners. Mix all ingredients in a glass. Stir until dissolved. Drink first thing in the morning before coffee or breakfast. That is key timing. This entire mixture costs roughly 10 to 15 cents per serving. Compare that to $3 to $5 for commercial electrolyte products. Massive savings. Why drink it first thing in the morning? After sleeping 8 hours, your body is in its most dehydrated state of the day. You lose water breathing during sleep. By morning, your cells are depleted. Most people drink coffee, which dehydrates them further. That is backward. Drinking electrolyte mix before coffee rehydrates cells first. Replenishes minerals. Gives your brain fuel to start functioning properly before you add any caffeine. Many people report feeling significantly more energized within the first week, not from stimulants, just from proper hydration their body has been missing. The fatigue you blamed on aging may actually be chronic dehydration. Fix the hydration, and the fatigue often improves dramatically without other changes. Now let me tell you what to avoid. The electrolyte market is filled with products that are terrible for people over 60, unfortunately. Avoid Gatorade and Powerade. These contain massive amounts of sugar and artificial dyes. They were designed for young athletes burning thousands of calories. A single bottle contains over 30 grams of sugar. This spikes blood sugar, promotes inflammation, and is terrible for metabolic health after 60. Avoid sugar-free drinks with artificial sweeteners. Sweeteners disrupt gut microbiome and may increase insulin response. Long-term safety data is questionable at best. Avoid products with excessive sodium. Some contain over 1,000 milligrams per serving. Too much sodium raises blood pressure, especially in older adults. Now let me explain the specific energy benefits you can expect, because energy improvement is what most people care about most in daily life. Benefit 1. Reduced fatigue. Hydrated cells produce energy efficiently. Dehydrated cells struggle. Proper hydration makes physical movement feel easier and less exhausting daily. Benefit 2. Clearer thinking. Your brain is mostly water. Even mild dehydration impairs focus and memory. Hydration lifts the brain fog quickly. Benefit 3. Fewer muscle cramps. Electrolyte imbalance causes cramps. Proper sodium, potassium, magnesium levels prevent cramping at the source in your muscles. Benefit 4. Better sleep. Magnesium promotes relaxation. Many people notice improved sleep quality within the first week of adding magnesium to their routine. Now let me give you important warnings. While generally safe, some people need to be careful and consult a doctor before adding electrolytes. Warning 1. Kidney disease. If you have kidney issues, talk to your doctor. Damaged kidneys cannot regulate electrolytes properly. Extra minerals could be dangerous. Warning 2. Heart medications. If you take ACE inhibitors or potassium-sparing diuretics, consult your doctor. These meds raise potassium. Adding more is risky. Warning 3. Low-sodium diet. If your doctor prescribed a strict low-sodium diet for heart failure, do not add salt without asking. Now, if this video helped you, I need you to do 3 things for me. They cost nothing and help others find this guide. First, hit subscribe and turn on the bell notification. I post honest, research-backed health content every single week, specifically for people over 60. Second, share this video right now with someone you love who complains about fatigue. This simple recipe could change their daily energy levels. Third, drop a comment below. Tell me if you will try this recipe or share your own tips. I read every comment personally. That is it for today. No fluff, no gimmicks, no lies. Just honest truth for people over 60. Stay hydrated. See you next time.